morning, Young Women's Leadership Academy. This is Miss Burns, your principal, bringing you announcements on Thursday, March the 23rd. All right, everybody, today is an A day, so after advisory, please be sure you go to your first, second, third, and fourth period classes. All right, students, here's today's reminder. As a reminder, there should be no airdropping happening on campus unless your teacher specifically asks you to do it for the purpose of a lesson, for the purpose of an activity, or for a project. It was brought to my attention that yesterday, students, some of you were airdropping a fight that happened on another campus. Students, that is not appropriate use of district iPad and district technology. Students, here's your reminder. Your iPads belong to GPISD, and the only things that should be happening on your iPads are anything school related in terms of lessons, learning, projects, things like that. So students, airdropping should not be happening unless your teacher has you do it for a lesson or a project. All right, everybody, that's all I have for us this morning. I hope you have a terrific Thursday, and I will see you in the hallways.
Have you bought your yearbook yet? How are you going to remember me 30 years from now dressed like this if you have not bought your yearbook?